Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to hide or show notifications start on app icon in Moto G04 smartphone. First of all, go to the home page and see here in some of the apps here in Gmail, there will be one dot. Okay, and here also there is one dot. And in YouTube you are seeing one dot. That means Gmail and YouTube have received notifications. Okay, so that is called notification dot. If new notifications will be received on all other any other app, one dot will be there. Okay, so if you want to hide this notification dot, if you don't want this notification dot over the app that have received notification, you can do it. What you have to do is go to settings of your phone here, go to settings first, go to settings, then go to notifications, and here select notifications dot on app icon. It is already turned on, so if you want to hide, just turn off this button and go to home screen and see the email and YouTube. There is no notification dot because it is hidden now. Okay, suppose if you want to have that notification dot, just you have to turn on this button, notification dot and app icon. Now you will have the dot. Okay, so in this way you can easily hide or show notification dot on app icon in your phone Moto G04. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.